Assalamu alaikum, what's up fam? Today, we're diving into the Insta360 X2, the ultimate tool for capturing your world in stunning detail and immersive 360 views. But before we jump into the action, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get this unboxing party started. Alright, let's crack this baby open and see what we've got inside. Now check out these specs. We're talking 360-degree awesomeness in 5.7K resolution. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or wild adventures, this bad boy's got you covered. And oh, did I mention the waterproofing? Yup, this camera can handle any situation like a champ. First up, we've got the Insta360 X2 itself. Looking all sleek and ready to rock the visual game. This thing is a beast. Now, let's open this box. What do you think is inside? Oh, it turns out there's a USB cable, and then there's a small wallet to store the camera when you want to take it out for a walk. It can be carried in your pocket or in a small bag. Very compact. The camera will definitely be safe while stored in your pocket. It won't get scratched or dusty. This is awesome, right? I'm loving these accessories. The lens guard is like a bodyguard for your lens, and these water droplet filters, pure genius. It's like having an Instagram filter in real life, but even better. But wait, there's more. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Here we go. We've got the lens guard, keeping your lens safe and sound no matter what. And check out these water droplet filters. Talk about taking your underwater shots to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Don't forget to hit that link in the description to get your hands on the Insta360 X2 and join the visual revolution. And there you have it, folks. The Insta360 X2 in all its glory. From epic 360 views to underwater adventures, this camera is the ultimate visual companion. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours today, click link in the description, and start capturing your world like never before. Until next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya and have a good day.